It's the beginning of the new fiscal year in Japan. You might have new members joining your team. What can you do to help these new members feel welcomed? Hi, I'm Keiko from English-Empowered. I help Japanese researchers and business professionals become more effective and confident communicators in English. When you have a new member joining your team, it's a great opportunity for you to demonstrate your leadership and help them acclimate to the new environment. Think about it. Starting a new job can be stressful. They don't know anyone, they don't know the company culture, they don't know what to expect. But they want to do a good job and become a valued member of the organization. So as a senpai, a senior member of the organization, make their lives a little bit easier by making them feel welcomed. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 steps you can take to welcome a new member in a warm, positive, and professional manner. And of course, I'm going to show you useful mama phrases along the way. By the way, I'm assuming this new member is a non-Japanese, English-speaking individual, but you can use these steps with anyone. So, let's get started. Step number 1. Start with a welcoming greeting. The new person is probably nervous on their first day or in their first weeks. Start your conversation with a warm greeting and a quick self-introduction. For greetings, you might say, "Welcome to," the name of the company. "Welcome to the team." "Congratulations." "Nice to meet you." "Great to have you on board." For self-introduction, keep it brief. Say, "I'm blah blah. I do blah blah." "My name is blah blah. I'm blah blah." Combine the greeting and self-introduction, and it'll sound something like, "Welcome to the team. I'm Keiko. I developed the course content for English-Empowered." "Welcome, Matt. Great to have you on board. My name is Ted. I'm the IT director." Here's a tip. Smile and show your genuine excitement to have them on board. Step number 2. Share some information about the team. In step 1, you acknowledge the new person as a new member of the team. Now give them some information about the team so they become more familiar. Don't overwhelm them with tons of information. All you need to give them is a quick overview of what the team does. For example, tell them the goals of the team, how these goals fit into the organizational goals, and the role of each team member. Here are some phrases you might use. "The primary goal of our team is," and then explain the role in the organization. "The primary goal of our team is to develop strategies for new markets. Our work drives the company's global expansion efforts. What we do is we go out and find new investors. Basically, we're the reason why the company can keep going." The first part, what the team does, they probably already know. But when they hear the second part, the role of the team within the entire organization, they will know what kind of impact they can make in this new role. Nobody wants to hear on their first day, "Your contribution will never be recognized here." Keep things positive and help them feel excited about their new job. Then introduce the team members to the new hire. You can say, X is blah blah. Y does blah blah. Z is in charge of blah blah. Like, Anna is the marketing director. Takeshi does design. And Yuki is in charge of social media. Give the new member a big picture of the team that they'll be part of. Step number 3, offer support. As a new member, I'm sure they will have lots of questions and concerns. The best way to support them is to make yourself available and tell them that. Say, let me know if you have any questions. If you have any questions about blah blah, you know where to find me. And of course, actually be there when they ask you for help. When they have questions, give them the answers and resources that they need in a timely manner. You might be wondering, what if I don't get to meet this person in person? What if you or the other person work remotely? Well, you can send them a quick email, especially to welcome them and to let them know that you're happy to help. One more thing. If you're like most of my viewers, non-native speaker of English and Japanese, you might not have the confidence to do these things that I described in this video. You might feel, what? Me? No way, I can't do that. Yes, you can. It might be scary, but think about the impact you can have for this person. Think about how welcome they will feel, and think about how helpful your introduction will be. It doesn't matter that we're non-native English speakers. We can always take the initiative to be kind, respectful, and helpful to the others. And that's what leaders do. In this video, we talked about 3 steps you can welcome a new team member at work. The 3 steps are: 1, greet and introduce yourself. 2, share some information about the team. And 3, offer support. We also talked about how you should take the initiative to welcome this person as a leader. It will require some courage, but your words and action will mean a lot to this person. I hope you find this video helpful. Send me a message or leave me a comment if you have any questions or some thoughts. I would love to hear them. Thank you for watching the video. See you next time.